Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the PlayStation 4 from water damage. So let's get right into it. Okay, so you're going to need two things: el cinto y la chancla. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to... Okay, so this PlayStation got water damage from the top all the way through to the bottom. So what you're going to do is you want to flip it upside down. It doesn't matter what version you have, just flip it upside down, and you just want to grab the chancla, you want to place it down, and you want to lightly just tap on the chancla, and now you want to grab it and just beat the shit out of your console, and make sure the top comes off, and then you want this open, and you see how this thing spins, right? Because it's the fan or whatever. You wanna like put the front of the belt in here, and you just want to twist it like that. Now you want to grab your belt and put the shit out of the PlayStation. I'll flip it this way, normal, and then like that, and then you want to grab the chancla again, and you just want to rub it, and then you just want to fucking throw it. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video very helpful, and hopefully you were able to fix your PlayStation from the water damage. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.